Hi, Old Fuzz Face here. Most folks think dill is just for pickles. But in a farmhouse kitchen, especially here in the Virginia Piedmont, dill was a year-round seasoning, dried right after the harvest so the flavor lasted through the winter. Today, I'll show you how we do that here at Serendipity Farmhouse. You're watching The Practical Man, where old farmhouse skills still earn their keep, just like they did in this region for generations. In a 1927 farmhouse like ours, herbs weren't decoration. They were part of everyday cooking and home remedies. Dill has a long history. The ancient Egyptians used it for medicine. The Greeks and Romans used it for cooking and digestion. And the early American families dried it for pickling and for soothing stomach aches. Here in the Virginia Blue Ridge, families of German, Scots-Irish, and Eastern European heritage brought dill with them. It grows beautifully in this climate, and drying herbs was a standard way to preserve flavor before refrigeration. So, when we dry dill today, we're doing exactly what farmhouse families around here were doing 100 years ago, capturing summer flavor for the winter pantry. Start with fresh dill weed, the feathery fronds. Give it a gentle rinse and shake off the excess water. Pat it dry. The less moisture you start with, the faster the dehydrator can do its job. Spread the dill loosely across the trays. Don't pack it down. Airflow is everything when you're dehydrating herbs. If you have mesh screens, use them. Dill is delicate and likes to fall through the cracks. Set the dehydrator to 95 to 105 degrees. Dill dries quickly, usually 2 to 4 hours, depending on humidity. You'll know it's ready when it crumbles easily between your fingers. Once it's dry, crumble it gently and store it in an airtight jar. Label it with the date. This is the beauty of farmhouse living. One small harvest becomes months of flavor. Dried dill keeps its color and aroma beautifully. Families in this region relied on it for cooking and for home remedies, a simple herb with a long history. From our 1927 farmhouse to yours, practical skills still matter.